Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashley.
And today we are here to do a
Stitch Fix Unbox.
For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a styling service. Basically you fill out a styling profile to tell them what you like and what you don't like. You are partnered with a personal stylist. That personal stylist will choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items can be clothing, they can be shoes, they can be jewelry, they can be scarves, it can be jackets. It's basically whatever you want. The good thing is you get to try those items on in the comfort of your own home and decide what you like and what you don't like. The styling fee is $20, so anything that you keep out of the box, that $20 gets applied to the cost of the items that you keep, which is good. If you keep everything in the box, you get a 25% discount. And so I have been using Stitch Fix since September of 2018. And I'm loving it. So right now I have mine set up to be shipped to me monthly and I'm loving it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the box and show you what we got. First thing that you see on the top of the box is you get this return envelope. Shipping for Stitch Fix is free both ways. And anything that you don't want, you put back in this bag and you put it in your mailbox and you ship it on back to Stitch Fix. Also inside the box, you get an envelope. My envelope is kind of messed up, but you get an envelope with the price invoice of all the items in the box. And then you also get this card that says, "Oh, hello." And it basically is a card with a note from your stylist, but it also has styling card suggestions for the items that you receive in your box. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna read to you what my stylist has to say. And it says, "Hello, lovely Jennifer. Welcome to your March fix. As you mentioned, spring is near and it's time to do some spring cleaning in our closets. This is the perfect time to take a look at your profile and see if there's anything that needs updating. Maybe there's a color or style that you've changed your mind about, good or bad. Whatever it may be, update your profile. Well, let's spring into this fix. I'm still searching for a longer inseam jean. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find any for this fix." She said, "However, I did find the cut from the cloth bootcut pants. You'll love everything about them, from the light beige color for the spring season to their boho chic style. As for tops, I selected flirty and fun styles and vibrant colors to help transition you into spring, as well as another lightweight pullover. I hope you love this fix. XX Kara." So we're gonna go ahead and get the bundle out. Let's take a look at our bundle. I see some blue. I see a yellow or some orange in there. So we're gonna take a look and see what we've got. So first off is we have these cut from the cloth bootcut pants. Let's see what it says. It says cut from the cloth Rosalynn bootcut pants, beige, and they're more of a brownie. I shouldn't say brownie, but more of a brown beige. When I think of beige, I think of a lighter color, but this is a kind of a darker beige. But the one thing I'm noticing about these is that they look like they might wrinkle really easily. And I'm a teacher and I really don't like my items to wrinkle too much. I don't like to iron. I'm the type of person who likes to throw things into the dryer and fluff them. So this is, let me look at the tag. It says Fun to Fun, Timaria tie sleeve blouse. And it says it's in burnt orange. And so it has a short sleeve. It's got some little ties on the sleeves. I like that. Very pretty color. Next is, it says the Renee C. Maddie Billow sleeve top, and it's in mustard. So it's got some blue and some pink and just a really pretty top. Very nice patterns here. Looks like it's got a 3/4 sleeve. The blue is almost like a navy or royal blue. It's a very dark blue. Next, let me look at the tag real quick, Ashlyn. It says West Key Julianne tie front blouse, and it's in blue. It looks like this. It's a royal blue, and it looks like it's got some black and some cream spots in it. I'm not sure how I feel about the tie front, so I guess I won't know until I try it on. We'll have to wait and see how I like that. And then the last thing in the box, ooh, it feels really soft. It is the pink Clover Bay Cross front detail pullover, and it's in the color olive. This is what this top looks like, and it's got this cross detail in the front. It's almost like a mix between an olive and a brown, but it feels really soft. Still would be good for these cooler morning temperatures that we're having here in North Carolina. So I guess the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try all these items on and we'll let you know what we think. Be back in a minute. All right, guys, so I started off with this, let me see what it is. The West Key Julianne tie front blouse in blue. And I'm not sure that I love it or really like it. I feel a little weird about this shirt. A couple of things that I'm noticing. I don't really love the length of the sleeves on this top. I don't know. I don't know that it's super flattering. I know the tie front is in style. I've just tried it on with my jeans just because I didn't think it would match the pants that she sent, since they're more of a like beige brown. So I tried it on with just my blue jeans. But I'll get up close so you can see the print. The print's cute. I just kind of feel like the sleeves are just a little bit, it's almost like they need to be longer or shorter. So I'm not sure about this shirt. What do you guys think? I'm looking at Ashlyn and she's giving me like a in the middle. I think it would look better with black pants for sure. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next top. All right, guys, so here is the second top. I just tried it on with my jeans as well because I didn't know if it would look good with that brown, the olive and the brown together. This is the pink Clover Bay Cross front detail pullover, and it's in olive. And this sweater is really super soft. Has a nice length on the sleeves. I like it, but I kind of almost feel like this is more not for spring, but for fall and winter. I like the cross detail right here. I like how soft it is. Has a slit on the side, and it comes down long. Feels like it would wash up really well. So yeah, I like it. All right, so I am back with this burnt orange top and the beige pants cut from the cloth. The top is the Fun to Fun Timaria tie sleeve blouse in burnt orange, and I really like this top. It's really pretty. It hangs a little bit lower in the back, a little bit shorter in the front, but it's still long enough. So it has these little ties right here, and I don't think you can untie them. I'm trying to take a look. Maybe you can. And it gathers right here at the sleeve. So, and it has this little keyhole opening right here at the top, and it's got these little pleats going down. Now you can see I have a black cami underneath of this, so you're gonna have to wear something. It is a little bit sheer, but it's not too bad. Probably would be better to wear a khaki or a nude one. So I think I like the top. It looks good. The pants are the cut from the cloth Rosalynn Bootcut pant in beige, and like I told you, these actually look more like a brown than a beige. I'll get up close so you can see. I like the feel of them. They're really soft, and they are definitely long enough, which is good. We've had trouble with that. The only issue, the only concern I have with these pants is that they look like they're gonna wrinkle. They almost have like that linen feel to them. And like I said earlier, I do not like to iron or deal with anything that wrinkles a whole lot. So I'm not sure about these pants. I'm gonna have to take a look at what the instructions for care are and go from that. But yeah, I really like this top. So far, the top is my favorite. All right, guys, I am back with this last top. This is the Renee C. Maddie Billow sleeve top in mustard, and it looks like this. And I'll get up close so you can see the print. It's got some dark blue and some orange and some pink in it right there. I think it even has a little bit of black in the very bottom of the shirt. Stuck on a tag here. So I think I like this top. I don't buy a lot of yellow just because I don't think I look good in yellow, but I actually really like this one. Looks good with the pants. I'm still debating these pants because I just don't know how wrinkly they're gonna get. Super comfortable though. I like them. So basically the only thing I really didn't like was that blue top that I tried on first. So I'm gonna get changed and I'll be back to do a recap. All right guys, I'm back to do the recap. We're gonna talk about each piece and I'll let you know what I thought about it. So I'm gonna start with the pink Clover bay cross front detail pullover in olive. And it is super soft and super comfortable. I love the little cross detail. It is a knit pullover. So, you know, with spring here, just not sure how much I'm gonna wear this between now and before it gets really hot, because here in North Carolina, it can get really hot very quickly. And so I love it, but I don't know that I need it right now at this time in my wardrobe. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. The cost of this pullover is $44. So next was the Fun to Fun Timaria tie sleeve blouse in burnt orange, and that was this top right here. I really liked this top. It feels like that polyester feeling, but I like the little keyhole in the front. I like the little pleats going down the front. I thought it hung well on me because it didn't cling to any bad areas on me. So I really like this top. This top costs $42, so I'm really leaning towards keeping this one because I think it would be good with some capris or some shorts, dress pants for work right now. So I really like that top. Next on the invoice is the West Key Julianne tie front blouse in blue, and it's a cute top, but I just don't know that it's flattering on me. And I felt like the tie, it just wasn't real flattering on me. So I don't think I'm gonna keep it. When I asked my husband how he felt about it, and he said, that's not a good sign. So I kind of felt the same way when I tried it on. I thought, I mean, I could keep it, but I don't have to, you know. So since I'm not keeping everything else in the box, I feel like I don't really need to keep that one. And that was $44. Next is this Renee C Maddie Billow sleeve top in mustard. Now I have a confession. I own no yellow, no mustard, no nothing, because I've never thought that the color looked that great on me, but I actually like the way that it looked on me. And it actually looked really good with the pants, but we'll talk about the pants here in a minute. But it's just this cute little pattern here, 3/4 length sleeve. It's soft. The cost of this shirt is $44, so I'm leaning towards keeping this one as well. And then the last thing was the cut from the cloth, the Rosalynn bootcut pant in beige, and that's what these look like, the beige. And I really thought that the beige would be a lighter beige when I peeked on the app and I saw it. It actually looked a lot lighter. These are really comfortable pants. They almost feel like they have linen in them, but I have a big concern with them. And when I looked at the tag, they said dry clean only. And I don't dry clean anything. I don't really own anything dry clean only. I think I'm gonna send those back. So the stylist pick subtotal was $262. The buy all 5 discount was 25%, and that would be $65.50 taken off. So the order subtotal would be $196.50. I did ask my stylist, Kara, if she could keep my buy all 5 discount below $200. She did a good job with that. So I guess I'm just gonna have to look at what I think I should keep. If you could give me some feedback on what you thought about the items that were in my box and how they looked on me, I would really like to know what you think. And if you can give me your opinion, that would be greatly appreciated. I'm gonna leave my referral code for Stitch Fix in the description box below, and just let me know what you think. Have a good one, guys. Bye.